In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The most gracious, the most merciful. Most of the people, maybe overwhelming number of the people, they are having a kind of reactive approach. They are having a kind of reactive approach. They are having a kind of tit for tat approach. He, she did this to me, and I am going to do the same thing to him, her as well. I did the same to them as well. This is the style of an average person. But this is also a sort of proof that they are average and they will remain average as well. They are ordinary and they will remain ordinary as well. They are commoners and they will remain commoners as well. They are laymen and they will remain the laymen as well. This is so. What do you think? Is it okay? Do you? Most of us are commoners. Most of us are laymen. Most of us are laymen. Most of us are ordinary people. Do we want to stay ordinary? Do we want to stay as a layman? Do we want to stay common with merely having a common sense? Is it all what we need? Is it all what we want? Is it okay for me? Are we satisfied with this approach? Are we satisfied with this approach? Definitely we are not. We are not. We want to raise ourselves. We want to raise ourselves a bit. We want to be above average at least. We want to be above average at least if we don't want to become an outstanding person. How to become an outstanding, how to become above average if not outstanding, how to become above average person, how to become outstanding person. Stop doing the tit for tat. Stop doing the tit for tat. Stop being reactive. Stop practicing the reactive approach and go for the proactive option. Go for the proactive option. What is this proactive option, by the way? This proactive option is that we need to calculate first. We need to understand well. Earlier, if somebody was doing bad to us and she was commoner like us and not a powerful person, we would have instantly done the same type behavior, the same sort of attitude, the same sort of reaction to them as well. But now, because we want to become above average person, because now we want to become outstanding person, because now we want to have slightly more than a common sense, now we are going to calculate first. We don't have to be reactive. Rather, we do have to become proactive. If somebody did one thing to us, something to us, we don't have to do the tit for tat. Rather, we need to calculate first. How to tell him or her that whatever you are doing, obviously it is not good for me, but it is bad for you either. It is not good for you either. It is bad for you as well. and we can go for something which is win-win. We can go for something which is good for you, which is good for me as well. Who is, by the way, the most intelligent, the most wise person who ever walked on this earth? Do we want to follow? Do we want to adopt? Do we want to imitate? Do we want to act the way most wise people have done here on this earth? Everybody like me will instantly respond that yes, of course, yes. If this is our answer, if this is the answer of most of us, if not all of us, the next question is, who was the most intelligent, the most wise person who ever walked on this earth? It was Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. How did he behave to the bad actions of the people? How did he behave? How did he react to the bad actions of the people? He acted kindly. He acted respectfully. He acted wisely. He did not do the tit for tat. He did not do that. Rather, he tried to wash the bad with the good, the dirt with the water, the filth with the water, the bad actions with the good actions. Ultimately, he stood victorious. Not only that he stood victorious during his life, rather, he became immortal. He became immortal. Do we want to become somebody like him? Why not to follow him? Why not to imitate him? Why not to do whatever he did? Why not to adopt the same sort of attitudes? I think we should. I think we should. This is how we can do that. This is the best approach. Do not do the tit for tat. Do not act bad with the bad. Rather, don't be afraid as well. Don't be timid as well. Don't be coward as well. I'm not suggesting you to be coward. I'm not suggesting you. I'm suggesting you to be wise. Suppose a foolish man, a mentally ill person, abuses you, spit at you, what will you do? You will not do the same thing to him or her. Or if somebody who is very young, a very small child, acted badly toward you, will you be acting badly toward them as well? No. Why? Because they are far lesser in intelligence than you. Why? I repeat, because they are far, far, far lesser in intelligence, in wisdom than you. You don't want to be equal to them. Likewise, the people who are trying to behave you badly, they are not the sane people, they are not the wise people. Don't be unwise, don't be foolish like them. Rather, try to act wisely, try to act intelligently, try to become proactive, try to wash the bad with the good, the filth with the water. Two wrong can't make one equal. Don't be similar to them. Don't try to equalize yourself with those people. Rather, try to distinguish yourself. Rather, try to separate yourself from those people. And you can do this, we can do that only by separating our reaction. If we are reacting in the same manner, we and them are equal. We are not different. We don't have to be equal to them. We have to be different with them. Thank you. Jazakallah.